Damn, look how wide this lens is, guys. I freaking love this lens. This is the 10 to 18 millimeter lens. So the other lens isn't as wide. Holy shit, look at this, guys. We got everything in the frame. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today we are here at the homie Daniel's house. We're gonna be going to a car meet from Downstar in a little bit. So if you guys don't know who Downstar is, they make all the titanium like hardware, all the bolts, all the stuff that I have in my engine bay. Daniel's got it. Like all the homies are running the Downstar bolts. So they're having a meet out in Ventura County, and then they're gonna come down to Sherman Oaks. They're gonna be collabing with a Philly cheesesteak place that's actually right down the street from Aries' house. So I think Aries is gonna be pulling up as well. As you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, there's a big announcement that I have to tell you guys. And it's gonna be that I'm hosting, or I'm collaborating with California Cars, and they host like night meets. I'm gonna be collabing with them. So it's the Life with KG 150K meet, celebrating the 150,000 followers on Instagram. And so we're gonna be having a car meet. We haven't dropped the address yet. I need you guys to all pull up. I need you guys to tell your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your uncle, your sister, your nephew, your cousins. I need you guys to spread this out everywhere. I'm gonna drop the flyer right here so you guys can go and check it out, and make sure you guys go like the post on Instagram as well. It's gonna be a dope turnout. It's gonna be a bunch of cars. All kind of cars can pull up. So it's gonna be like exotics, JDM, European, American muscle, everything that you guys can think of is gonna be there. So I need you guys to spread it out and make sure you guys come through, show support, show some love to your boy Life with KG, and hope to see you guys there. We're gonna go inside Daniel's house and check out what he's working on for today. So let's go. Sheesh. Get out here at Daniel's. Beautiful G80, looking clean as always. And we got Sam's M4 CS with all M Performance parts. Look at that, M Performance wing from the G80 actually. Got the Vor standard diffuser, carbon tips, real OLEDs, M4 CS with carbon ceramic brakes. The interior, super clean, super low miles. What's up?
How's it going?
How are you?
Good.
How was dinner last night?
That was good. You missed out.
What's up, Sam? How are you?
Good, bro.
Jeez. What'd you do again? I forgot.
On this one?
So far, stud and Downstar.
Yeah. The stud conversion kit with lug nuts, and then Downstar right now. So
Pretty nice.
yeah, just doing a little bit tomorrow. We're gonna do the intakes, charge pipes, top mount, heat exchanger, thermostat, J-pipe, and J-pipe.
Damn. Super clean.
Got off to a late start, and then just kind of planning it out for tomorrow.
Yeah. Super clean, guys. Look at all the carbon, even the canards up front.
The full suede sit-down.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
You gotta do that to your whip.
I know. All Alcantara. And it has stars, right?
Yeah.
Damn. Rich. This is pretty cool. All the Alcantara headliner. But super clean M4 CS. He recently just picked this up too. So he had an M4 2020 Alpine white with super clean, but he wanted the CS, so he got rid of it and got the CS, which I don't blame him because the CS is special. It's gonna hold its value. Definitely can't go wrong with it. And then Daniel's G80, of course. Always clean individual Daytona Violet off the E36 color. Super clean with the red interior, bucket seats, everything OEM plus to the max. $8,000 exhaust upgrade. Sheesh, look who pulled up on us. The big homie Neeks. This fool really trying to park in the driveway. Oh my gosh, guys. See the shit they make me do around here. One of the cleanest M8s out there, guys. It's just so freaking nice. What'd you get, G? Damn, gold with the carbon.
Yeah, just to match the brakes.
Rich. Those are fire, low key. Too bad we can't put these tips on my car, guys.
You can.
No, they don't fit.
They came off the F80.
Nah, but it's different on my exhaust, I think. Yeah. DoorDash. Shake Shack. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, Nikon, I'd help you, but I'm about to go eat, bro. Hell yeah, the food's here, guys. We hungry out here. Oof, look at that. The double with cherry peppers. Banger. Alright, guys. Nikon is upgrading his, what do you call that shit?
Door projector light.
Little door projector lights, so when you open the door, it'll say, what does it say, BMW or M? Alright, it's out. With some pressure, it'll just pop out, but you gotta get like a little flat tool like that. And then you disconnect the little light. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it right there in the palm. The other homie just pulled up, Louis with the M4. Right now we're gonna have the homie Bees come through, wash the whips. He's gonna wash Nikon's, he's gonna wash mine. He's gonna try to wash Daniel's car so we can have it nice and clean for the car meet tonight. As you can see, the homie Louis has pulled up. Hey, this is all like our second home.
Right? What's up, man?
What's up, bro? How are you?
Chilling, bro. Chilling.
Good?
Good.
Super clean
Changed
M4.
out my rear brakes right now, so
Feels good now?
it's good.
Brand new brakes. All right, guys. The homie George from Bees pulled up on us. He's gonna get the GTS washed. He's gonna get Nikon's M8 washed, and hopefully Daniel's car will get washed as well. If you guys need any mobile detailing, hit up George at Bees and get your car washed. Get that fresh wash. Sheesh. As you guys can see, the GTS is dirty, guys. Check this out. Look at this. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm telling you, this shit is dirty. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like handprints. It's just nasty. And if you check the front bumper, look at this. Nasty, bro. Sheesh. Smoker pulled up on us? Rich. Look at those headlights, guys. We need to do these. Super clean F80 M3.
Look at the trash
Individual.
in the car.
What's up? How are you?
Good, and you?
Good, good. Gee, you need a wash, my guy. ASAP. Alrighty, guys. Got the whip all clean. Just gonna add that tire shine. And we are good to go. Big homie Noe. Yeah. That's like one of the sickest E92 M3s out there, guys. Rich. What's good? Chromie. It's cracking. How are you? How's your arm?
You know what? Way better, bro.
Better?
Yeah. It's a car.
For sale already?
Yeah.
Why?
Anything's for sale.
Well, there you guys have it. You guys want a clean Imola Red F80?
Hey, be honest. How babied is it?
Huh?
Except my plane.
Yeah,
How
it
much
is. Baby. It is super clean, guys. It has cloth seats in there too. Look what pulled up, guys. Another F80 M3 CS with the yellow DRL. Sheesh, this shit's so clean. M3 CS. That's hella nice. He's got a cage right there with the fire extinguisher. That's clean. M3 CS, guys. Why is Air's always got to be causing a scene? Rich. What's up, my G? Yeah, Chick-fil-A breakfast? I've never had Chick-fil-A breakfast before.
You gotta be up early for that.
I don't know if their breakfast is good.
I felt it.
What'd you do? You did launch control?
Yeah.
No, that shit's fast.
Go back to it.
Who was screaming?
I
Louis?
was screaming, bro.
Were you?
I was like, yeah, bro. That shit like a roller coaster.
Yeah, Air's car is faster than a Huracan, dude.
That's fucking insane.
I know. Fastest car you've been in, the M5?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now it's confirmed. Yeah. For sure.
Damn.
Is it
Rich.
comfortable?
I have Bowers and Wilkins in my M4.
Yeah, right.
I don't even have speakers. License and registration, please. All right, guys. We've got everybody out with us. We got Noe with the Chrome. We got Chris with F80. My GTS, of course. The homie Nikon with the M8. Daniel's about to pull out this G80 right now. We got the homie Louis. We got Daniel's G80, Sam. We got everybody over there. Then we got the homie Frank from Downstar, the owner. That's his M8 competition. Super nice with the yellow DRLs. Full red interior, super clean. I think it's got downpipes tuned. So freaking sick. Sheesh. We got the homie hanging out of the M8 getting rollers. Man. Alrighty, guys, we are on the way to Philly Boys, and as you can see, we're taking the freeway. We got everybody with us. Let's pull up next. Sheesh, Daniel with the underglow, Rich, she looks cool. Frank with the M8. What's up, big homie?
How you doing, bro?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Alright guys, we have made it. We got Daniel, we got the homie Brandon, Lime Rock Great, M4 CS, my GTS, the homie Chris, Nikon. We got a bunch of cars. Yeah, I'll hold the door for you, G. It's a $4,000 door. I got your back, homie.
Thank you, G.
Valet, G, valet. Alright guys, actually it's so funny, Ayers lives literally like right up the street. So yeah, we got the 2 M8s. Sheesh. Chris, me, we got a hard ass lineup. We got Chromie over there. I think he's still trying to find parking. Sheesh. Look at that underglow. I want to do this, guys. Look at the ambient lighting inside. That's such a vibe. And he's got the stars up there too.
One fries with no salt.
My sponsor for the night, guys.
Yeah.
Nikon. So we got a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. We got 10-piece wings. And we got a side of fries. Decline, G?
Nah, there's no way.
We got the whole squad out tonight. Rich. All the homies eating good or what? Jeez, that shit looks fire though. What's up, G? What?
What you get?
You? Now we got a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. We got 10 wings and we got fries.
Damn.
Fully loaded, G.
That's what I got.
Fully loaded competition. All right, guys. We all have our hoods popped open.
Ready?
Helping Gabe out with some light. It's just bright, huh?
Dude. It works.
Yeah. Damn, we got the wings. Damn. And then we got here.
The homie's
What do we got
face
here?
while he's eating, bro.
Fries and the sandwich, Philly cheesesteak. Look at all the M's from up here, guys. Jeez. Too fire, G. Alrighty, guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Also, guys, make sure to save the date for November 25th. I need everybody to pull up, show support. I'll throw the flyer down here once again. Make sure to come through. Any type of car can come through. Doesn't have to be BMW. It could be JDM, American Muscle, European, exotic, whatever, anything. Just pull up, come say what's up. I'll be there. All the homies will be there. It's gonna be a good time. The address will be dropped the day of, so make sure you guys stay tuned and also be checking on my Instagram, and I'll be posting the flyer throughout the weeks and dropping the address the day of. So make sure to come through, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.